Hello everyone. So today I'm going to explain how the internet works. So consider the internet as a giant mail delivery system. So imagine the internet as a giant magical city where everyone sends and receives letters and all the time. This city is so big that it stretches across the whole world and everyone in the world is connected to it. Now let's break down how this magical mail delivery system works. Consider your device as your house. First, think of your computer, tablet, or phone as your house. Every house has an address, right? In the internet world, your device has a special address called IP address. It's like your home address, but for your device. Consider routers as the post office. When you want to send a letter or request information like watching a video or visiting a website, you put it in an envelope, write the address of where you want it to go, but you can't just throw it out of your window and hope it will reach the right place. You need more help from the post office. Routers are like the post offices of the internet. They look at the address of your envelope and figure out the best route to send it. There are tons of routers all over this internet city making sure the letter goes the right way. It's like the router are playing a big game of pass the letter to get it to the right destination. Consider switches as the sorting office. Inside the post office, there's a sorting area where all the letters and packages get organized. These sorting offices are like switches. Switches help direct the mail within a smaller area, like making sure everyone goes to the right street in a neighborhood. If routers are the big post offices that handle mail for the entire cities, switches are the smaller sorting offices that manage neighborhood. They make sure everything gets to the right house on the right street. Consider servers the fancy buildings. Now let's talk about servers. Servers are like big fancy buildings that stores lots and lots of important stuff like libraries full of books or warehouses packed with toys. Wherever you want to look at something on the internet like a picture or a video, you're asking a server to send you that information. So when you send your letter asking for a funny cat video, it goes through the post office, that is the router, and sorting offices like switches, and finally reaches the big fancy building, that is server, where the video is stored. The server reads your letter, finds the video, and send it back to your house, that is the device, through the same post office and sorting office system. Putting it all together, so the internet is just like a huge mail delivery system. Your device is your house with its own address. Routers are like the post offices that help letters and package find their way. Switches are the sorting offices that make sure everything goes to the right place in the neighborhood. Servers are the fancy buildings that store all the information, pictures, videos, and games you want to see. Every time you click on a link or send a message, your letters are traveling all over this giant magical city, being sorted, passed along, and delivered, all in the blink of an eye. Yeah, that's all for today. Thank you, everyone. Bye bye.